Aetna, a leading health insurance provider, has long been at the forefront of healthcare innovation and accessibility. Recognizing the paramount importance of financial well-being for its employees, Aetna has initiated a comprehensive financial wellness program. This strategic move not only empowers its workforce, but also reaps substantial benefits for both the company and its dedicated employees. Recognizing the need for change. Despite working in the healthcare industry, where well-being is paramount, many Aetna employees have faced their own financial challenges, from student loans and medical bills to housing expenses and everyday financial responsibilities. The leadership at Aetna understood that these financial hurdles could lead to stress, impacting employee performance, job satisfaction, and ultimately, the company's success. Acknowledging the need for change, Aetna set out to address these challenges, providing its employees with the financial support they need for success in their personal and professional lives. A comprehensive approach to financial wellness. Aetna's financial wellness program is designed to offer a myriad of services that cater to the diverse financial needs of its employees. These services include 1. Financial education. Aetna provides access to a wide array of educational resources, including workshops, webinars, and online courses that cover essential financial topics such as budgeting, savings, and investing. 2. Debt management. The program assists employees in managing and reducing debt by offering tools, resources, and expert guidance on loans, medical debt, and other financial liabilities. 3. Retirement planning. Recognizing the importance of retirement preparation, Aetna encourages employees to plan for their future through retirement savings accounts, investment advisory services, and retirement planning workshops. 4. Savings incentives. Aetna incentivizes saving by offering various benefits and contributions to retirement accounts and emergency savings funds, motivating employees to secure their financial futures. The benefits of investing in financial wellness. Aetna's commitment to financial wellness has brought forth numerous advantages for both the company and its employees. 1. Enhanced employee satisfaction. By nurturing and supporting employees in their financial journey, Aetna fosters a sense of loyalty, commitment, and higher job satisfaction. 2. Increased employee productivity. Financially secure employees can focus more on their work, leading to increased productivity, innovation, and overall improved performance. 3. Reduced employee turnover. Employees who are financially stable are more likely to stay with the company, reducing the costs associated with recruitment, training, and onboarding of new staff. 4. Attracting top talent. Aetna's commitment to employee financial wellness bolsters its reputation as an employer of choice in the competitive healthcare industry, attracting top talent. 5. Corporate social responsibility. Aetna's dedication to employee well-being enhances its image as a socially responsible corporate entity, reinforcing a positive public perception. In conclusion, Aetna's financial wellness program underscores the company's unwavering commitment to creating a supportive and fulfilling work environment. By addressing the financial well-being of its employees, Aetna sets in motion a positive cycle of benefits that results in a more prosperous and engaged workforce. As other companies recognize the advantages of financial wellness programs, this trend is anticipated to continue to grow, benefiting employees and employers alike. Aetna's financial wellness program is a testament to its commitment to both its employees and its bottom line, serving as a powerful example of how addressing the financial needs of its employees can create a positive cycle of benefits, ultimately leading to a stronger, more prosperous workforce and a more successful business.